To circle something, let's say that portion of the image, we should use this tool, which is called the rectangle tool, and U is the hotkey, which is visible here. But if you don't see this, you can right click on that icon and choose that ellipse tool. The hotkey is also U. So it's between the arrow and the hand. Now simply drag with the mouse and I see this. Well, this is not just an outline, but it's filled. To modify that, we have to use this toolbar up here. The first thing is the fill. Click on the color itself. The green is inside. I don't want to fill with something. I want it to be transparent. To make it transparent, use this one which has a red line across it, and if you click on that, the color from the inside disappeared. Now we have just a blue outline. Now go to the stroke, and the stroke also has a red line across it. That means that it doesn't have any color. So click on that white and red thing of the stroke and give a color, let's say black. Click outside on an empty area. Now the line is somewhat visible, and the next thing here is that 1px, that is 1 pixel is the width of that line. Enter a value here. Let's say I will type in 10, and after I press enter, this circle will get thicker. So press enter. If I drag the text itself, the stroke text, to the left and to the right, I can also increase or decrease the size of that line. I can drag the sides to the left or to the right, the top and so on, and I can reposition it, not from the center because that draws another circle, and that can be deleted from here. Okay, it's not a circle, it's an ellipse. So I'm here on the layers tab. We have these tabs. So that's the second ellipse, and I can delete that unwanted one using this trash can, and then this will disappear. Trash can, and it disappeared. Now using the same ellipse tool, I can resize it, but I cannot move it unless I hold down the Ctrl key, and then the arrow will change. So now I have a black arrow because I'm holding down the Ctrl key, and if I release it, it's a crosshair. So hold down the Ctrl key and then you can move it and make it somewhat smaller. You can also use this one, which is the move tool. V is the hotkey, and using that I cannot grab it from the center because that grabs the background image. Undo it. In the same manner, I have to click on the circle itself, and then I can move it. So that's how to circle something in Adobe Photoshop so that you can highlight a zone on your image.